when Tesla was nothing but a piece of paper. Let me be crystal clear. Crystal fucking clear.
Yeah.
No, they didn't bring me in either. I was gonna start an EV company with JV Strobel, and based on the AC Propulsion T0. And when I asked AC Propulsion if it was okay to do that, they said, well, there's also some others who want to create an EV company, but have not created one yet.
Yes.
Would you like to join forces with them? And I said, okay, well, we'll do that. That was a huge mistake. JB and I should have just started the car company ourselves. Instead, we teamed up with Everhard, Topping and Wright. Big mistake. The actual moral error here was me trying to have my cake and eat it too, which is like, I just want to work on the technology and the product and have someone else be the CEO and sort of run the business operations, because I just like working on technology and product and design.